And in that case, you're charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon from August 24th of 2024. And then you also have cause number 20.
All right, pause right here. This is an initial appearance, essentially the court's first official roll call. There's no trial yet, no verdict either. Just the charges, the bond situation, and whether the defendant plans to handle this responsibly or make it worse. Spoiler alert, it's a second option.
Of DCCR 0324, where you're also charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon, and that's from January 27th of 2025. So, since you've made bond in these cases, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
It's on the process of right now.
Who are you planning on hiring?
I'm really on the slice right now.
Okay.
Just on the
2 separate felony firearm possession cases, 2 different dates, same exact charge. That's already a major red flag to any judge paying attention. When the court sees repeat behavior, it stops looking like a one-time mistake and starts looking like a pattern. And patterns rarely get mercy.
Speak up where I can hear you.
I say I'm really excited right now.
Are you working?
Not currently, because I currently just had to throw it out like again for the I think it was some misdemeanors or something that picked up, so I had to throw it out right after I had just gone out on the other case, so I really haven't had time.
Do you have your GPS device on?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, so you made a $100,000 bond and a $20,000 bond. So what I'm going to do, Mr. Greer, is, hold on, let me look at one thing before I do that.
Let's talk numbers. A $100,000 bond and a $20,000 bond. That's not pocket change. Bond isn't just about money. It's the court saying, show me you can follow the rules. And one of those rules? Stay clean. No drugs, no excuses. Keep that in mind. It's about to matter.
Where are your previous felonies from? Where have you been convicted of felonies? What counties? Here in Jefferson County? How can I see on here? Go to where? I don't know what you're my what? I don't see summary. Click on your star. Summary. Or actually go to parties. Click on his name and then click on his name again. It's a bunch of buttons to push. And those are active and you scroll down. So this is a felony. That's a. Oh, that's the same as that. Let's scroll. There's that one. Unauthorized use of a vehicle. Yeah. It's the same. That was dismissed. These were disposed. And then there's more. Those are misdemeanors. Okay. Thank you very much. Yes, ma'am. Mr. Greer, if I test you this morning, you going to have something in your system? No? All right, let's double check that and then we'll figure out what to do, okay? Just have a seat in the jury box.
This awkward moment of computer clicking That's a judge pulling up prior felonies in real time. Every click is another past mistake resurfacing. Judges don't ignore history, especially when firearms and repeat offenses are part of the record.
Berto, Ramon, we showed you at the warrant, but we can't confirm it with the jail, with the dispatch, so.
Oh, Ramon Artola?
Yes,
Okay, so,
I'm gonna bring him back out. Sharon said you called for him?
mm-hmm,
Okay. And we're going to take him down to 3 and let them figure it out. It's what it was.
it's out of 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me do, remind me and I'll call it. Well, you want to go ahead and get on with that? Is he out here? Good morning. Are you Ramon Artola Jr.?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Artola, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25. Mr. Greer, when did you bond out?
Like sometime last month, like it was like the last month. Because I bonded out 2 times back to back, so it was like.
So you but within a month you bonded out, and then you smoked marijuana before coming to court with 2 felonies pending.
What you mean?
You tested positive for THC
You said this morning.
before court. So within the last month, after bonding out for 2 felonies, you've already made a bond on one of those of $100,000. You smoked marijuana. When? So last time you smoked?
Like sometime in December, like in December.
This is the moment everything unravels. Testing positive for THC while out on bond for 2 felony gun charges is a legal self-inflicted wound. It's not about marijuana itself. It's about violating a direct court order. Judges read as disrespect, recklessness, and potential danger.
Obviously, it was sometime in December because you just got out of jail in December and it's January. So how long before court? I mean, did you do it this last weekend, New Year's Eve?
Like the beginning of December, like probably I'm not gonna lie, probably when I first got out.
So here's the thing, Mr. Greer, what you're charged with is 2 felon in possession of firearm cases. That concerns me greatly, the fact that you made those bonds and still made the terrible decision to smoke marijuana between now and then. It's obviously a violation of your bond as well. And so based on that, I am going to raise your bond in each of your cases. In cause number 25 DCCR 0324, I'm raising that bond to $200,000. In cause number 24 DCCR 2220, I'm raising your bond to $100,000. A condition of each of those bonds, if you make them, is that you have a drug patch on at all times. Also, that you would be required to wear a GPS monitoring device and be on house arrest.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Well, they'll take that off. If you make the bonds in the other cases, you're going to have to get another one on, and you're going to be on house arrest. You can't leave your house if you make those bonds except to come to court or see your lawyer. Do you understand?
I didn't see